CubeX SoftMac MBOX to PST converter is the best software to convert MBOX files to Outlook on Mac OS. Advanced features of the perfect MBOX to PST converter for Mac. Complete process with any Mac OS computer. Processes MBOX files with complete emails element. Easy to use without professional knowledge. No change in the structure of files during the process. Downloading and installation for free. Let's start the step-by-step process with software. Download and start the tool on your Mac OS computer. Click the Add Files tab if you want to convert the required file only, or go with the Add Folders option if you want to convert batch MBOX email data. View loaded MBOX data for the next process. Now utilize the Remove, or Remove All options if required. Utilize the checkboxes for the conversion of only required MBOX files into PST. Now, choose the Output option, PST. Utilize the related options if required and click the Export tab to start it. View, Live MBOX to PST conversion status. Completion messages screen, click OK. View log report in text file. All your MBOX files are saved in PST file format. Free Mac MBOX to PST converter online download. Download free MBOX to PST converter for Mac to convert MBOX files for free. It converts MBOX data in Outlook PST on Mac OS with the first 25 files. Download now for free. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to get updates for more tutorials.